This Century 21 The Real Estate Center Property video is presented by Tyler Lyons. Come see today. Open floor plan will make you feel at home as soon as you walk in. Formal living room with vaulted ceilings, partially finished basement, dining room, eat-in kitchen west/pantry and sliding glass door to the deck. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, master bedroom west/cathedral ceiling and master bath includes a soaking tub and separate shower. No HOA. Call today. This home won't last long. 1-year AHS home warranty included. During the week home can only be shown between 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. For more information, review the details below.